Hello and welcome, guys! Today, I'm super excited to share with you a recipe for a seriously delicious and healthy salad. It's packed with flavor and nutrients, and it's perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying side dish. Get ready for a walnut, egg, and avocado salad with a homemade Caesar dressing. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Let's start with the ingredients. For this salad, you'll need mixed greens, romaine, spinach, arugula, your choice. Hard-boiled eggs, chopped half avocado, diced. 1/4 cup toasted walnuts. Croutons, optional. And now for the star ingredient. For the homemade Caesar dressing, we will need 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon stone ground mustard paste, 1/4 teaspoon soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and Parmesan cheese for grating. Let's make our homemade Caesar dressing first. In a small jar or bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, mustard paste, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. In a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, chopped eggs, diced avocado, and toasted walnuts. Drizzle generously with the Caesar dressing and toss to coat evenly. Top with croutons, if using, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Here are a few tips and variations. Make it ahead. Prepare the dressing in advance and store it in the refrigerator. Add some protein. Grilled chicken or shrimp would be delicious additions to this salad. Get creative with toppings. Try adding cherry tomatoes, cucumber, or red onion for extra crunch and flavor. Make it vegan. Use vegan mayonnaise instead of eggs, and omit the cheese. And there you have it, a simple, healthy, and incredibly flavorful salad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!